Well, here I am. I am at Dairy Queen in Middlebury, and we're going to start riding here in a minute. And as soon as I get situated, and here we go. Well, it is a beautiful morning here in northern Indiana. The car said it was about 71. I just put a sweatshirt on for this ride, and because I know once I get going, it'll probably be a little chilly. And it's supposed to be up about 90 today, but the humidity is low, and it's great weather. Fall is feeling like it's in the air, and we'll see if we can see anything. I do want to ride this when it's really good colors, because I think this will be a nice, pretty area. So we'll see what happens. Oh, wow. I've gone a little over 5 miles, and my legs are a little tired. Don't let anybody tell you just because you have an electric bike you don't get a workout, because you do, unless you just hold the throttle wide open and run it like a motorcycle. But I don't do that. Only maybe going up a little hill I give it some throttle, but I've been pedaling the whole 5 miles, and the bike's been helping me when it's going up, little dips and whatnot. But anyways, I thought I'd stop here for a second, take a break, and we'll see what's happening in the world. So I just looked on my map, and there's a lake just says I'm 4 minutes away. So I'm going to ride up there and see if I can see the lake. Shipshewana Lake it's called. And then, so let's see if we can find it. Let's do some exploring. I believe there's a road right up here that I can go down.
Turn left onto North 900 West.
Well, as you can see, I am out at a lake. I was looking at my Google Maps on my phone, and I see just off the trail was this little lake, about 4 minutes from the trail. So about a mile bike ride down actually a quite calm road. There wasn't really any traffic on it, so it wasn't too bad. Anyways, I just rode down here to a little county park. Nothing fancy. You really can't swim. You could have a picnic, maybe play a game or something like that. Or so, not bad. Nice way to spend a Sunday morning. So let's get back to the bike, which is right behind me, or right in front of me. You can't see it. There it is. and let's get on the bike and let's continue our journey. Well, let's get back to the trail. Well, I've officially made it to Shipshewana. Well, the streets of Shipshewana are dead today. There's a few people out, but mostly me. Well, they got all dressed for Halloween around here. Looks nice. Dressed, decked out for Halloween, I should say. Well, I just went in and got a little fall party cake. Um, Shipshewana's got me in the fall mood, so we'll see what we can see. That's good. I think I have a little bench. Oh, I bet you will find something. Well, I'm here at the Blue Gate restaurant. They got a nice little setup for Halloween. Looks really nice. Well, this is nice out here. Nice photo opportunity. Welcome to Shipshewana. Beautiful day. Got a John Deere. Oh, and someone's texting me. Who could that be? Nope, someone's texting me again. So, well, let's see if we can get a photograph of myself, a selfie of some sort, and we'll continue on. Well, there's kettle corn. I love kettle corn. There's a lot of nice little shops here. I think a lot of them are antique stores also. I see kettle corn back here. Buggy rides. Painting studio. Knickknacks. Country elegance. So we are going to head back towards the car. I've gone 9.6 miles total. Oh, I got to stop and strap my helmet down on my head. If I was to fall, the helmet would hit the ground before I did, I think. There we go. Helmet strapped on. Safety first with me. Let's cut up through here. Oh, what's this? Smokehouse. We got a barbecue? Oh, smokehouse and grill supply. Nice. Okay, we're back on the trail and let's go. Let's get to Shipshewana. Well, I don't know if you can hear me. You should be able to. But I'm buzzing along at 19.6 miles per hour. I'm going to show some speed right up here in the corner, and my GoPro will supposed to be able to check my GPS and speed and stuff, and then display it. We're going to try that out. So let's see if it's right up there in the bottom left corner. Let's see if it works. We'll find out. Well, it's a beautiful day out here, and my ride is just about over. I'm about 100 yards from my car, and had a really nice time. Looks like I'm going to be about 16.8 miles on the bike, and I should be home once I get the bike loaded in about 30 minutes. So hopefully we'll get this turned into a video, and you'll see it one of these days. So hang on. Have a good day. GoPro, stop recording.